Welcome. Today we're breaking down one of the most powerful grounding shapes in yoga, the yogic squat or Malasana. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reclamation, a way to root down, open the hips, and connect deeply with the body, especially the pelvic floor. Let's explore it together. Start by finding your stance. Feet can be a little wider or closer together, whatever feels right for you. If your heels don't touch the floor, that's okay. Try placing a block or a rolled blanket under your seat or heels for support. Lengthen your spine, creating space from tailbone to crown. Try pressing your palms together at your heart. Make sure you're sticking your chest out and that you're not curving your spine over. I'm going to show you a few variations as well. You can put the blocks underneath you and sit on the blocks for extra support. Again, you can have your hands in prayer position, or you can rest your elbows inside your knees, or if it feels better, you can rest your hands on your knees. You might want one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Remember, it's about connection, not perfection. Let this shape adapt to you. I'm going to show you another variation. I have a stool, but a step would work well too in the house. The stool is about the same height as a step, so you're just sitting on it in that same squatting position. You are still getting the same benefits. It's just adapting to you for different ranges of motion. You're holding your arms in the same way. You're sticking that chest out. Now we're going to move into some more flow and intuitive movement. You can try rocking gently from side to side, noticing the sensations in your hips. Notice where there is tension. Allow your arms to start moving. If it feels right, you can reach one arm up and then the other, opening through the side body. You can play with heights. I'm using the wall behind me for a gentle twist. Both sides. Grounding and getting close to the earth, allowing your spine to move and your hips to circulate. Explore placing both hands down in front of you, pressing into the earth and undulating your spine and noticing what that feels like. Is there restriction? Is there freedom? Without judgment. You can practice going up on your toes. It helps to place your hands down on the floor and then practice bringing them up while you are staying up on your toes. It's a nice challenge. We'll be moving into a mini flow from Malasana. Press into your hands and shift into a forward fold. Knees soft, spine long. Inhale for a half lift, extending the crown forward, and then exhale, melt down. You can move slowly between these shapes, letting your breath guide you. Inhale into the half lift, exhale as you melt back down into squat. If you feel called to explore a more intuitive movement or self-touch, hip circles, swaying, brushing hands down legs or over the heart, honor that. Trust your body to lead the way. Exhaling down into squat, inhaling into forward fold and half lift, and then exhaling as you melt back down into yoga squat. Just allowing yourself to work out any areas of your body that are still needing some movement, love, release. Allowing yourself to just follow your own intuitive flow. I like to challenge myself without hands, but it's always easier to place your hands down in front to try to go on your tippy toes. As you come to stillness, notice how this practice lands in your body. Notice the softening, the strength, the space you've created. If this practice sparked something within you, I invite you to continue exploring with me in the Sacred Fusion series. It's a space where we deepen these shapes, weaving breath, movement, and sensation to create a truly embodied practice. Sacred Fusion is about connecting with your feminine strength, softening into your body, and reclaiming spaces that have felt unseen. You'll find longer rituals, nurturing flows, and sacred moments, all designed to help you feel rooted, open, and at home in yourself. Thank you for sharing this space and practice with me today.